good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin.
At the Grand Westside Hotel, the regents of Miss World 2024, Cristina Fiscova, was unmistakable as she stood alongside key figures such as Miss World Philippines National Director Arnold Bigafreya, Mr. World Philippines Kirk Bondad, and Grand Westside Hotel's General Manager Joe Fajardo. And this esteemed gathering held before a press conference was a splendid display of elegance, leadership, and the highest standard of pageantry excellence. Cristina Fiscova's presence illuminated the event, captivating everyone with her poise and charm. Her participation underscored the importance of international pageant in fostering cultural exchange and global unity. The event provided the excellent platform for discussing future endeavors, partnership, and the continuous evolution of Miss World brand within the Philippines. Adding to the impactful visit, Christina Grace, TV5 Network's morning show, Good Morning Kapatid, her appearance brought an air of sophistication and inspiration to the program. Resonating deeply with viewers, Christina's conversation on the show highlighted her journey, her advocacy, and the broader mission of Miss World. Her story of dedication and achievement served as a beacon of hope and motivation for many Filipinos, particularly young women aspiring to make a difference in their communities. And this sequence of events not only celebrated the allure of pageantry but also reinforced the values of leadership, cultural appreciation, and community service, demonstrating how beauty queens like Cristina Fiscova can inspire and influence positive change globally.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!